Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where a group of traders of all experience level come together to share the market insights, market idea, market strategy. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Also, guys, it is a community not just only for traders, but also for analysts and also developers. It has a section for varieties of markets you trade, be it commodities, cryptocurrency, forex, and even stocks, and also indices. It also has a section for all this. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. This is literally our movement on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD has literally given us this massive bullish move, due to the fact that USD literally sold, and one of the reasons why USD literally sold was, the Fed interest rate was increased. It was released, but the rate was still same. It was not increased, it was not reduced. So it is still at a level of 3.75, which is 75, percent. So the Fed still let it at that rate. So this was one of the reasons why a lot of traders were like, if that is the case, let the USD drop. USD drop, of course. Once USD drop, any pair you are trading against your USD must rally up, give us that bullish move. One of the reasons why GBP USD literally did give us this massive bullish move right here. This is a massive bullish move. So we are still to expect the movement to continue upward. So if you can look to targets between 50 to 70 pips, I think that will be a good movement. But I'm still anticipating for that movement upward. Let's see it come to a level of 1.33921. So 1.33921. So we had to expect it to come to a level of 1.33921 and smash above it. That is what we have to expect on GBPUSD. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you subscribe and also visit investsocial.com.